Hello, all-star kids. I'm Harry the horse, galloping by to share some fun facts about horses with you. We horses love to run fast in the fields and have long manes that flow in the wind. We can neigh, trot, and even jump over fences. So let's stomp our hooves and sing Old McDonald with all our farm friends. Are you ready to prance and sing with the all-star kids? And on Old McDonald's farm, I go neigh, neigh. Join us next time for more hoof-tapping fun. Neigh neigh for now.